In the present video, I'm going to tell you about a couple of plugins that could be useful for editing your worksheet. One is the Hyperlink plugin, and the other one is the Writer Region plugin. If you go to SMath Studio, I already have those plugins included in my collection. If you go to Tools, Plugins, you're going to find the Hyperlink region and the Writer region. You probably don't have them. If you don't, go to Local Storage, click on Online Gallery, and look for the Hyperlink region and for the Writer region, and activate them into your program. The Hyperlink region plugin allows you to include hyperlinks in your worksheet. Once you have it active, what you have to do is click where you want the hyperlink, go to Insert, find Hyperlink, and it will tell you where to find or how to type your link. For example, if you type, say, for example, www.usu.edu, that will link you to Utah State University. If you click on the link icon, it will open up the appropriate link for that URL. I have created here the one for Google. If you click on it, it will open up, on the hyperlink icon. It opens up Google for you. The other one is called the Writer Region plugin, and again, if you don't have it, you can load it from the collection online. And this one is like having a word in your page. And so let me create a new page here. Click in here, and we're going to do Insert, Writer Region, and type something. This is the title of my Writer Region. So, and then do Control Shift Enter to enhance that region. If you click inside the region and do a right click, then you get a menu that allows you to operate some things. For example, change your language, change the characteristics of your paragraph as shown in there, change your characters, insert a field, a hyperlink, or a math entry, change the page alignment, wrap up words, change the line spacing, and the most interesting of them is that if you go to Settings, it opens up a top bar. When you first open the top bar, you can hover over the different icons, and I will tell you what each one of them do. If you go back to my page that I was working with, you're going to see pictures of the paragraph menu, the character menu, the insert menu, available when you right-click on the Writer region, the page alignment menu, the wrap menu, and the line spacing menu. Again, you can get those by simply going to your Writer region, like this one I have right here, do a right-click, and then select any one of those. Then the Writer region toolbar that I mentioned before that you get by doing, which is available right here. If you go to a Writer region like this one, oh, that's not right. This one right here, you right-click Settings, you get the floating toolbar. And here is a listing of all the options in there. Many of them are well known. For example, the font and the size, then changing to bold, italic, underline, strike through, subindex, superindex. Change the color of your text. Change the highlight. Change the alignment to the left, to the center, to the right. Justify. This is indentation to the left, indentation to the right. Creating a bulleted list, creating a numerical list, eliminating the most recent change format, copying the format, creating a hyperlink, inserting math, inserting fields, inserting some math characters that are not available in SMath Studio. And if you click on more symbols, you get access to many other characters from different fonts. Okay, so you could, if you want to, you could print this screenshot and this screenshot to have it as a reference, and this one also to have it as a reference. In here, I attempted to create the formula for a Laplacian by using mathematical symbols, but it didn't work quite well because you need to have a times in there between del square and phi, and that's not what the notation is about. But you can type other mathematical characters in there. And finally, I'm going to talk about hyperlinks. If you have a, I'm going to go to the other page. You have a writer region available right there, and you want to insert a hyperlink. Do a right click, go to Insert Hyperlink. And then you have options here. You can type a URL, a mail, an email address, or a file address online. Let's type an URL and do, let's say, www.Iowa, University of Iowa, edu, and say the University of Iowa. I went to school there. And so you get that link. However, it's not as easy as clicking on it. You have to click on it to select it, do a right click, and then say hyperlink activate, and it will take you to that particular URL. And so that's sort of things that I wanted to talk to you about on how to use the writer region and the hyperlink region. And with that, we're going to conclude this particular video.